Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mike Simmons. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about AgentPro, how it can help you increase your sales and expand your product offering to your existing clients and to your prospects. This is, of course, powered by WeInsureEverything.com. You can find a lot more information, or a little, more information on our website, WeInsureEverything.com. Go to the top right-hand corner and click on Agents Pro, and you'll see. Now, for a quick summary of what Agents Pro is, Agent Pro acts as a digital marketing platform for each insurance product. It has all the sales funnels already done for you, all the nurture campaigns, all professionally written for you, and includes an insurance design CRM system to bring it all in together for one place. So let me, without further ado, let me show you exactly what we're talking about. Now, bringing in some prompts and everything, we can see that what we do, we simply help insurance agents sell more and expand their product knowledge, product offering, and knowledge. How we do it is by increasing their conversion rates on your existing lead generations and streamline your workflows. Also, very key element, we might help you monetize your referrals. You may be selling as a licensed agent 1 or 2 products and that's it, but you're licensed for 200 products. Okay, now with Agent Pro, you're able to have your prospects click on those. We'll show you how they can come into our referral network. We can help you close it, or any referral network. It doesn't have to be us. And we'll help you close it if it goes into us, and you'll share in the revenue and the agent of record or a referral fee, whichever one is applicable. Now, as in the world of television, we can spin this around, right? So how do we do this? There's a 3-part series. One is lead generation, right? That's what everybody struggles with. We do this by mobile app, text, and emails, right? We have the app that you will see allows you to just on the fly hand this to somebody, and at the dinner table, at the restaurant, at a social network, what have you, they click on the products of their choice and they put in their phone number. It goes into it creates a lead. So that's your lead generation by mobile text. We have it by emails, and that's how it's done. These are professionally we do it for you professionally designed landing pages. So once they click on a particular product, such as car insurance, boat insurance, health insurance, whatever, it lands on a professionally designed landing page that helps you with content. The second aspect is your sales funnels. Okay, this is where your lead is generated, but may take you a day or two to get the quotes to these people, but they have nurture campaigns by email, text, and voicemails, leaves them prompts that keep them engaged so they don't go looking to another agent for quotes. These are do it for you, professionally written emails and content that is going to go out to them to keep them engaged. Lastly, lead management. Okay. All these leads that are generated, they go into an insurance design CRM system that is yours. You can use ours, you can use yours, you can use whoever's, not mine, but you can use yours, and that equals conversion. Now, these is all designed to save you time and money, which is all what we're looking for. We don't want a program that does amazing things, but then we have to go and write the content for it, and we have to write the emails, and we have to figure it out, and we have to do these funnels, and what triggers what, whatever. That is done for you, my friend. The last thing I wanted to show you is in my wallet, I keep one card. This card is an Nfc Smart Card, which allows you on the fly to simply put it up against anybody's phone. It pop up, you click on it, and your app opens up. Okay, so this card, forget about giving somebody a paper business card and praying that they call you the next day or that you remember what to call them for the next day. This card does it for you, allows them to put their lead information in on the spot, and you generate the relationship. You nurture the relationship. You don't nurture the product. Nobody wants to learn that much about auto insurance or home insurance. They just want to know that you got it, you're on it, and you're going to get back to them with a quote. So please visit our website, WeInsureEverything.com, where you're going to find AgentPro on the top right-hand corner, okay? And that'll allow you to learn a little bit more about how we can streamline your business, we can help you generate leads, and we can help you with your conversion rate, which is going to equate to more money in your pocket. I do appreciate your time today. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please call us or go online to our website at WeInsureEverything.com or call us at 305-357-5605. Again, 305-357-5605. Thank you.